Hi, there is only one reason to make this video. The reason is because these days I receive update from Microsoft from Windows 10 to Windows 11, but after 2 or 3 days happens something strange. For me this is bug, for Microsoft there is no bug, because this is made for security reason. For what I talking? First, excuse my English. I'm talking about that if you try to mount image file, this takes so long time, and after some research on the net, the solution is very simple. But why Microsoft you do this? They add new security features, and every time when you try to mount something, the Windows start extracting, checking. After that, Windows mount your image. This is ridiculous. Why just like Windows 10, simple mount and check if you want, block if some security problems. I don't know, but let me show you how to fix this, for me, bug for Microsoft now. This is the files who I prepare, for example. If you try, let me go there. It's a mount bug. If you click like in Windows 10 2 times, Windows 10 load the image and you can use it. But what happened in Windows 11 if you try to do this? Let's see. How you see, no way you do anything with your Explorer. How you see, try to close, clicking everywhere, no chance to do this. You must wait the minutes, 4 or 5, depends of your PC. When Windows load image you can use Explorer, but we don't have time for this. Let me end this drama. The way who I found is very simple. Just go to Start, type Windows Security, click on Windows Security, go to App and Browser Control, click. After that, go to the Reputation-Based Protection Settings, click on this, uncheck everything here. And now let's see what happens. Go again to desktop. Here is our image who don't load. Now if you click OK, everything fine, perfect. But Microsoft, why you did do this? Thanks for watching. Sorry for long talks. See you next time. Please subscribe, cost only 1 second and 1 click. Have a nice day.